How to add website in Facebook business page. First, you want to open Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your business page. Then tap on these three lines, and from here as well you can change or switch to your business page. After this, you want to tap on the page name and here tap on edit. This should bring you to edit page. Now you want to scroll down and here you will find links. So tap on add, and now here you can add your social links. So tap on add social link, and from here you can choose your platform as well, and you can also add in your username if you wanted that. Now next there is website. So over here you want to tap on add website, and now here you can simply add your website in this way. Now after everything is done, you want to tap on the save button. And in this way, your website can be added to your Facebook business page. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.